Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show how to get the Pretzel Friend Sitting Accessory. This unique item can be added to your avatar's collection with just a few easy steps. It's a fun, free companion that sits on your shoulder, perfect for personalizing your look. We'll walk through the entire process, ensuring you can easily claim this special item for yourself. The only way to acquire this particular accessory is by joining a specific event game. Once you enter the designated experience, the Pretzel Friend Sitting item is automatically added to your inventory. There are no complicated quests, hidden challenges, or in-game purchases necessary to obtain it. Simply step into the event, and it's yours. To claim your Pretzel Friend, first open the game platform on your device. Next, locate and join the specific event game, often titled Tommy Play. Upon successfully entering the game, a notification or badge should confirm you've received the item. Finally, check your avatar inventory to ensure the Pretzel Friend Sitting accessory is now available for use. With the Pretzel Friend sitting now in your inventory, you can equip it to your avatar. This charming shoulder accessory adds a distinctive touch to your character's appearance. It's a fantastic way to personalize your look without any cost. Enjoy showcasing your new, quirky companion as you explore the virtual world.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.